This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for Tuesday, February 14th, 2017. Corn market today steady to down 1 1/4 cent, with the nearby leading the lower market. Beans today down 4 1/4 in the new crop, down 9 3/4 in the old crop. Wheat market today down 1 to 3. Chicago wheat leading the way lower with the 3 lower. Minneapolis down a couple here. So as you look to the grain undertones, crop insurance, we are 10 days in. We have 9 remaining, so we are on the home stretch. Corn crop insurance for February coming in so far at $3.96. Soybeans at $10.21 and spring wheat at $5.66. So some very good base prices in comparison to last year, and a good way to kind of frame up the start to 2017 of important dates and time frames here. As you look to the bean market, the reason we're weaker there with that 9 3/4 in the old crop is just a pure fact. Brazil harvest is picking up here a little bit, and they've got a lot of contracts to sell. We estimate that they've got about 64% of their crop remaining to sell yet, and that's going to keep a little bit of a negative bias towards that bean market as we work ahead. It's seen a nice rally due to investment money buying, as have the corn and wheat, but as that bean market breaks down, that can drag these markets a little bit lower. So we're looking for key resistance to come in around the 390 level in corn off the July 390 to 402. The next price count would be upwards of 434, and we just think that's a little too much to ask without a summer weather problem. We're looking at the wheat market here, a little bit more of a wild card there in regards to spring wheat planting, and the bean market kind of into those key resistance levels. Feeder cattle up 217.5 today, live cattle up 145, hog market up 160. Firmer cash undertones, stronger cutouts in the hogs today, up 145. Really kind of the culprit there. A great turnaround day today. Now we got to see what we can do with it. We still see some pretty stiff overhead resistance in the cattle market, and in the hogs, a little bit of a wild card there. We're not looking for a breakout by any means. We like marketing summer cattle around $80, but important to watch exports this week. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn & Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation.